Kenya Film and Classification Board Chief Executive Officer Dr Ezekiel Mutua has been sent on terminal leave. He has been replaced by Christopher Wambua, who has been serving as the Director for Corporate Affairs at the Communications Authority of Kenya. Reports circulating in social media on Thursday had claimed that the ICT Cabinet Secretary Joe Mosheru had fired Dr Ezekiel. Through his social media accounts, Dr Ezekiel termed them as malicious rumors, asserting that there is not vacancy in the office of the CEO of KFCB. It has now been revealed that Dr Mutua is being investigated over alleged payment of irregular salaries and allowances. In a letter circulating on social media, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission has written to the chair of KFCB to request for documents and information regarding payments made to Dr Mutua and another board member. A lot of reaction is expected from Kenyan entertainment fraternity.